attention. Another day of cars not parked in this bike lane. Okay, thank you. Hello. Thanks for looking. I see your phone in your hand. There's one more car further back. Phone in their hand. They're gonna go right as I pass them. Oh, they put it away. Oh my God, bumpy. Bumpy as fuck. Oh, yeah. I wonder what no parking means. That sign right there? Oh, but I have a delivery.
He is bailing my assholes.
Thank you for not killing. Oh no. Get out. Get out of the bike lane. Get out. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got room. Come on.
Fuck.
I cannot stand this shit.
No, I'm so
I'm like, get out. Yay, thank you.
What a bitch. You're such a dick.
Wait, you can park here? No, you can't.
Are you the fucking
You,
police?
so
I
what?
don't think so.
You can't park in bike lanes. No. No. Nope. 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 Go. Out.
Touch my car again, fucker. Do it, bitch. I'll fuck your ass up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you're
Cool.
such a pussy. Go around, little bitch.
Go around.
Fine.
Go around. How about you find a parking space?
Off, bitch.
Say hi to YouTube.
Help.
Fuck off. Bye. See what good these bollards do. Every day. So I got this camera, and that's why I say something. I mean, that and drivers nearly like right or left hooking you every day, because using mirrors is hard. Yep. And I don't know if you heard, but I was not joking about you're going on YouTube.
I didn't hear. I just thought it was a pretty mural, and I'm like, well,
Oh, yeah.
hang out.
Yep, welcome to Seattle. Beautiful artwork and crazy shit on the streets. Cool. Stay safe.